To fix a RIA money transfer problem, start by identifying the issue, whether it is a failed transfer, a missing transfer, or an incorrect transfer amount. Check your transfer receipt in the RIA website for any updates on the status of your transfer. Next, contact RIA customer support by phone or email to report the problem and ask for assistance. Provide them with your transfer details, including the transfer reference number and the recipient's information. If the problem is due to an incorrect recipient account number or incomplete information, RIA customer support can guide you on how to correct the information and resend the transfer. In cases where the transfer has been delayed or is missing, RIA customer support can investigate the issue and provide you with an update on the status of your transfer. To avoid RIA money transfer problems in the future, make sure to double-check the recipient's information and the transfer amount before sending the transfer. Also, use a secure and reliable internet connection when making online transfers and keep your transfer receipts and reference numbers safe for future reference. Additionally, be aware of RIA's transfer limits and fees, as well as any local regulations and restrictions that may apply to your transfer. By following these steps and taking preventive measures, you can fix RIA money transfer problems and ensure a smooth transfer experience. It is also recommended to keep track of your transfers and regularly check the status of your transfers to quickly identify and report any issues. RIA's website and mobile app provide a convenient way to track your transfers and access your transfer history. By being proactive and taking the necessary steps, you can resolve RIA money transfer problems efficiently and effectively, and enjoy a hassle-free money transfer experience.